Hey up guys, how are we doing? So I just want to show you how to create and what a report looks like for a pre-scan and a post-scan on the Top Don One Plus. So I've got this in here now on this Touareg. I've done a scan. There's the control modules flagging an issue. The grey ones are what the car doesn't have, and the green ones are modules that have no problems currently. So we're going to start a report. I always recommend doing this before you carry out anything on the vehicle, before you clear a code, before you do anything. So this is your start off with everything sort of on it. So we'll confirm that. I'm happy with that. And that'll give you the details of the car. It even comes with a cheeky QR code. Everything there. 23 systems scanned, 5 of them with ETCs. It lists them all as well. So you can open these up on the actual report. And it will tell you all the faults. Look. There we go. So here's the situation. And then what I like to do is save it to my tool. And then I can share it. I share it as a PDF, and I either send it to the customer or send it to myself should anyone need it at a later date. So that's myself. That's my email address there, guys. That's going to go to me. I've already sent it to myself as well, just as my sort of backup, if you like. And I know that this is what the car's come with. So I'm going to get to fixing it now. And then I can do a post scan, send it to myself again. If customer wants it, happy days. I can make that happen. So thanks for coming along, guys. A little bit of just more of what the Top Don One can do. See you in the next one.